Hello and welcome. I am a hotel AI expert with extensive experience in modern hospitality operations and performance support. I am pleased to welcome all students of Europe Hotel School to your online learning journey. We look forward to supporting your professional growth in the hospitality industry.
So, here's a quick look at what we're going to cover. We'll kick things off with a really important concept I call the golden spike. Then, we'll take a look back at how things used to be done and why it was so risky. After that, we'll dive into the solution, the connected core, the actual AI tools making it all happen, and a playbook you can use to put it into practice. And we'll wrap it all up by connecting this technology back to what our industry is really all about: genuine hospitality. All right, let's jump right in. We're starting with what I believe is the single most important principle for running a hotel today and well into the future. It's an idea we call the golden spike. So what is the golden spike? It's that absolutely critical link. I mean, think about it. You can have the slickest guest-facing app, the smartest in-room tech, but if your back-office accounting system can't talk to your front desk PMS in real time, you're basically operating with one hand tied behind your back. You're making today's decisions on yesterday's data. And in our business, that's a surefire way to get left behind.
And that's really the perfect description for the old way of doing things: flying blind. It was a system just filled with risk, inefficiency, and honestly, a whole lot of painful manual number crunching.
Just look at this contrast. For decades, the night audit was this dreaded all-night manual chore, right? Someone hunched over paperwork just trying to make the day's sales match what was in the bank. The future, which is here now, by the way, completely flips this on its head. The audit is now an automated, totally invisible process that just runs constantly in the background, all handled by AI. That dreaded task, it's just gone.
So, if the old way was flying blind, this is how we turn on all the lights. We call it the connected core. By truly integrating AI into the financial heart of your hotel, you unlock 3 revolutionary benefits that, were pretty much impossible just a few years ago. First, and this is huge, you get rid of data silos. Revenue from the restaurant, the spa, room service, it all flows into one single source of truth. It gives you a complete, holistic picture. Second, you get zero lag reporting. Forget waiting weeks for a monthly P&L. You can see if you hit your daily profit target before you even go to bed. And third, compliance on autopilot. When tax regulations change, the AI just adjusts automatically. It's a massive shield against costly and, frankly, embarrassing mistakes. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the why. You get it. But now, let's get into the what. What are the actual platforms making this happen? As we look ahead, the industry is really standing on what we call the 4 pillars of integrated AI accounting.
Let's quickly run through the big players here. You can think of them as different tools for slightly different jobs. Sage Intacct, it's absolutely perfect for a growing boutique hotel group that needs to automate reports and connect directly to its PMS. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is really for that data-hungry manager who wants to use AI to predict cash flow. NetSuite, it really shines when you've got multiple properties, maybe across different countries, and you need that one single view of your global finances. And then you have Oracle, which is the big enterprise solution for major chains, offering incredibly deep integration with their own powerful systems like Opera. Now, knowing the platforms is one thing, but actually getting them implemented successfully, that's a whole other ballgame. So this is your integration playbook. 3 simple but essential rules to guide your hotel's digital transformation. To really make this work, you have to follow these 3 rules. Rule number 1, prioritize seamlessness. I mean it. If a platform doesn't integrate natively, smoothly with your PMS, just walk away. Don't do it. Otherwise, you're just trading one headache for another. 2, focus on exception management. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. Let it monitor everything and only alert you, the human, when something looks unusual. This keeps you focused on strategy, not on spreadsheets. And 3, and this is so important, invest in your people. The AI will give you the what, but you need a team that's trained to ask why. You're not just creating accountants anymore. You're developing data storytellers. And that brings us to our final, and honestly, our most important point. After all this talk about data, platforms, and integration, we have to ask ourselves, what is the true value of all this AI in our industry? Well, the answer takes us way beyond the numbers and brings us right back to our guests. This quote right here says it all. By automating all the financial heavy lifting, you are buying back the single most precious and non-renewable resource your team has, their time. That's time they can now spend making a real, personal connection with a guest, creatively solving a problem, or adding that uniquely human touch that turns a good stay into a truly great memory.
So, as we finish up, this is the question I want to leave you with, the one I want you to carry with you into your careers. The technology, it's going to handle the spreadsheets. It will give you the incredible gift of time. The true test of a great hotelier, of a great leader in this new era, will be how you choose to use that time to create those unforgettable guest experiences. Thank you.